Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I am going to open my mystery box I got from the Posh Academy. And if you don't know, the Posh Academy sell material for pan draping. So she had a sale. I'm not sure how often she had a sale, but she had a sale on her mystery boxes, and it was $100 a box, and you get 6 to 8 panels. And then the day after she had the sale, she actually did a live video, and if you tuned into the live, you was able to pick the colors for your panels. So which that was good, because I'm getting ready to have a bridal shower, and my theme is a lemon theme. She found her main squeeze, and you know, it's lemons, yellow, and then I threw in like pink and, you know, a little green. So those are the colors that I asked for. So we're gonna see what's in here. So I have this, and I forgot what textures I had asked for. So I have this one, and these are all they're all 12 feet. So this is a polyester, and it's thick. So from watching one of her videos, I realized, so I had got sheer panels and curtains before, and I realized that I should probably start getting polyester. For one, you can't really see through it. Well, you can see through this one a little bit, but it's not as transparent or translucent as sheer, and it's low maintenance. Like I feel like you could just hang this and, you know, that's it. It's very, very low maintenance. So these are okay. So what I'm noticing is I will have to sew these, you know, sew them up to get the pocket for the rod, or just clip them onto my backdrop. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'll probably sew them on, because sometimes I have a problem getting those clips on. So I have 2 of those. Those are yellow. And you know what? I couldn't remember if I had asked for a soft pink or a fuchsia. And I think all my other stuff I ordered was soft pink, but it doesn't matter. This is kind of work. And this one looks like a sheer. So this one is sheer. So it's a little translucent there, but it's nice. This is 12 feet as well. I think they're all 12 feet. So I have this one. And again, this is one I will have to sew this one as well, or either, you know, sew a little pocket on it, or I will have to use the clips. And like I said, I'm probably gonna sew like little pockets on them for my curtain, to, you know, to be a curtain. You have the pocket so it can slide over the rod. And then I have this one. This one, oh, so there's 2 of these. This is panel sequin silver. Is that this one? It's taffeta. That's what it is. I couldn't think of the name. So she showed these in her live, and I think what caught my attention about this one is how wide she said it was. And I forgot how wide she said. It don't have it on here how wide it is. But that's what really like caught my attention for this, because if you're doing backdrops and you have, just say if you have like a lot of sheer curtains or sheer panels or whatever, for your back layer, you can just put this is from my experience, I'm no expert at anything. You can put like I could put this on the back, and not have to worry about it being see-through. You know, like I feel like your back layer, because I have a new backdrop stand, the one I did a video on last week. So it has the 3. So I could put this one on the very back and just put one of these there. I don't have to put 2 or 3 different panels. And it's long. It's really long. It's wide. It's wide. It's very wide. So I like this. It's kind of translucent a little bit. However, it's gonna be on the back, so it really doesn't matter. I think it's gonna do what it needs to do. I like this, and this seems very low maintenance too, because it already has that texture, like wrinkledy, like, but not wrinkledy, if you know what I mean. If you know what taffeta is, know what taffeta feels like. So that's that. So I have 2 of these. So I think this was a great buy. Other than I'm actually gonna have to sew. I thought they were already, I thought they were already sewn, but I do notice from watching a lot of her videos that she does buy fabric off the boat and do her own and sew herself, and that's very smart, because I have bought 2 boats of fabric from eFavorMart, and they were like $20. And it was like a 10-yard boat. So, and then if you cut that in half, you can get 2 pounds. So that's really a great deal when they have them on sale. I don't think that's always the price. I don't know, because I've only bought 2. I can't remember off the top of my head if they were on sale or if that was like the actual price one. But this was definitely a good deal. Like I said, she did a sale, and again, I'm not sure how often she do it, but her mystery boxes were $100. And hey, you can't beat that. especially for this poly. So I was gonna buy some new panels, because I mainly been buying sheer, because for one, sheer is cheaper, but then when you think about it, you have to have something else to go with it because it's see-through. So you gotta buy other panels so you can't see through your backdrop, right? So you have to buy, and it's a lot of maintenance required. Like, you have to iron those. So yeah, they're cheaper, but it requires a lot of maintenance. So I said I was gonna start buying polyester. So now I have my first polyester one, so I'm gonna see how I like that, and then we're just gonna go from there. So all right, that's enough rambling. I'm getting ready to go to sleep because I just came from trunk or treat with my grandsons and my daughter. We went to trunk or treat, and then now we're going to Carowinds. So yeah, and I gotta figure out how to fold this back up. So until next time, y'all have a great one.